In this video, I am going to be showing you how to deal with circle questions on the SAT. So this question says, the graph of x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 6y minus 24 equals 0 in the xy plane is a circle. What is the radius of the circle? And we have our options here. Okay, so the solution to this is as follows. Now there is the standard form of a circle, standard form of the equation of the circle, The standard form is given by this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. This is the standard form of the equation, where your r here represents the radius of the circle, and your h and the k represents the coordinates of the center of the circle. So we have hk is center of circle, r is what? Radius. Okay, now this equation is called the general form of the equation of the circle. This is the general form. What we need to do here is to convert this general form to the standard form. So when we do that, we are able to identify what r is, because r will be on the other end of the equal sign. That will be r squared, and we'll find the square root and we get r. So we need to convert from this to look something like this. So I'm going to show you how we are going to do that. So let's rewrite that equation. We have x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 6y minus 24 equals to 0. Now we can rewrite this as x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 6y equals 24. Okay. Now I will show you a trick here. This trick is called completing the squares. Now let's look at this x part of this equation. The x part, we have x squared minus 4x. This is a quadratic equation where the coefficient of x is negative 4. So what you do is take the coefficient of the x, which is negative 4, divide it by 2. So let's divide negative 4 by 2. Negative 4 by 2 is what? Negative 2. Right? Then square negative 2. Negative 2 squared is what? 4. Right? Then let's look at y. What is the coefficient of y here? You know, this is y squared plus 6y. This is another quadratic equation. What is the coefficient of the y? 6 here. So we take the coefficient of the y here, 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. Then 3 squared is what? 9. All right. Now, what we're going to do next is to the x part, we are going to add 4. We're going to add this 4 here. Okay. We're going to add 4 plus 4. Then to the y part, we're going to add 9. This guy, 9. Equals 24. Now remember, we've added 4 to this part, we've added 9 to this part. So what we do for the left hand side of the equation, we must do to the right hand side of the equation. So we add 4 and 9 also to this. Okay, so now this becomes x minus 2 squared, and this becomes y minus 3 squared plus 3 squared. All right, the hint is, look at it here, negative 2 and 3. You see, if you expand this, you're going to get this back. If you expand this, you're going to get this back. All right, so x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals to 37. Now, if you look at this looks a lot like the standard form, where you have x minus h squared plus x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. So that means, that follows that r squared equals 37. You see that? So we have r squared equals 37, and therefore r is the square root of 37, which is your answer here. That is the radius of the circle. Awesome. If you found value from this video, I'm sure you did, make sure you like this video. Also make sure you share it with somebody. And to have a more understanding of this particular solution, I have attached a link in the description of a free video course that explains how to deal with circle questions on the SAT. It's a video course, free video course, where you learn this solution and you'll be able to solve any circle question on the SAT. So make sure you click on the link, register for that course. You get a link in your email. You go ahead and watch that course. All these solutions are explained even further in a video format that you will like. All right, it's something that you can watch again and again so that you can assimilate what you have learned. All right, make sure you sign up for that course. It's a completely free course. All right, and I will see you in the next video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. All right, thank you and see you next time.